In this video, we are going to show you how to use your known Pulse Oximeter with the patientMpower app. Before using the Pulse Oximeter, please ensure you've previously paired the device with your patientMpower app and that your Bluetooth on your phone or tablet is turned on. Open the patientMpower app and click the plus button at the bottom right hand corner of the app. Click Pulse Ox. You will then be prompted to place the pulse oximeter on the tip of your middle finger with your palm facing upwards, as shown in the picture. The pulse oximeter will then begin to take your reading. Your results will then be displayed on the screen. If you're on oxygen, you can enter this here and select how many litres of oxygen you're on, or you can return to the dashboard.